Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Nando back again with another video, and right now what we're doing is a quick, extremely low light test with the DJI Pocket 3 as I'm walking my dog. This is actually pretty insane. So what you're seeing off to your right or my left is some light from this building here. But as we continue down this path, it should get a lot darker, and this should also be a very good test of the gimbal stabilization as well, because it's a pretty bumpy path, or a very bumpy road, if you will. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this quality. This has been my most excited product purchase of 2023. I've been looking forward to the Pocket 3 for quite a while now, and it's here, and they've got that 1-inch sensor, and this is something that I think is going to just bring so much value to pretty much anyone's content creation. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn this camera around so that you guys can take a look at how dark it is. So we're out here in this parking lot, obviously illuminated by those lights there. But when I flip this thing around, like, this is just really, really good quality, guys. And this is in 4K 60 frames per second. What's another perk of this camera right now? This is not my final review of it. This is not my likes or dislikes either, but this camera was pretty much at 10%. And I charged it up, and I know it does have quick charge functionality. And here we are with 100% battery charge as of this video. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Again, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 extreme low light, or if you don't want to call it extreme, but very, very low light test. If these are the kind of videos that you like, hit that like button. Definitely consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And also, this is a video without the microphone. Next video, I'm going to be using the DJI Mic 2 that came with it, and we'll be doing some more tests of this camera as well. Peace, salute, adios, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.